Convicts and felons all react differently to their sentences. Some are disappointed, a few would plead and cry, while the worst of them all grow violent in an outburst of rage and resentment. From deadly threats to comic courtroom escapes, today we bring you the 3 wildest sentence hearings you have ever seen. Number 3. Scott Patrick Lemon. Now we head to a sentencing hearing in the Lincoln County Courthouse in Newport, Oregon. Scott Patrick Lemon is in a blue shirt, awaiting sentencing for charges of robbery, burglary, theft, 2 counts of menacing, and 4 counts of coercion, all stemming from a home invasion. Here in the courtroom is a deputy, Lemon's lawyer, a police officer, and another attorney. Deputies requested an electronic restraint for Lemon during the proceedings so that he could be held immediately once push got to shove, but the judge denied that request. The judge trusted that he would conduct himself with the dignity which every person has, but Lemon had other ideas. He lunged for the officer. And if we take a closer look, it appears that Lemon attempted to grab the officer's weapon. Fortunately for everyone, it is taken down very quickly, but Lemon now has an attempted escape added to his list of charges. He is currently serving a minimum of 7 years in prison. Number 2. Stephanie Rybkowski. We go to the Berea Municipal Court in Berea, Ohio, for the sentencing hearing of 42-year-old Stephanie Rybkowski.
Rybkowski, am I saying that correctly?
Yes, you are.
Rybkowski was caught stealing from a local Walmart, which resulted in a theft conviction. Today, she and her attorney are hoping Judge Mark Comstock does not issue any jail time. The judge pronounced,
First of all, $150 fine plus cost of that suspended.
a fine and 6 months in jail starting today was not the outcome Rybkowski was looking for, so she quickly appealed to the judge.
Is there a way that I can
Now,
not start jail today? I mean, because I've got a daughter.
It didn't turn out to be so great. Disappointed, Rybkowski goes to take her seat, but somewhere along the way, she changes her mind and heads for the door.
yes.
The bailiff, Matthew Bedford, takes notice of this development and immediately alerts the judge. The bailiff catches up to her in the hallway where they have a discussion. Rybkowski buys her time by taking her seat. She then checks her phone and decides that there is somewhere she would rather be, but the bailiff waits her out and stands guard at the staircase. Acting casual, she wanders over to the bailiff while on the phone and then slips behind him until she makes a break for it. She quickly makes her way through 2 flights of stairs and out the front doors with the bailiff right behind her. Surprisingly enough, she makes it to her car and knocks the bailiff over with her vehicle before speeding away. Luckily, the bailiff suffers only minor injuries, but now comes the task of finding Stephanie Rybkowski. She was not an easy woman to find. It would take 11 days before she was finally caught and arrested. And this time, she was hit with additional charges of escape, assault, and resisting arrest. But no jail time was added to her original sentence. Any guesses why? Let us know what you think in the comments section below. Number 1. Cletus Robbins Jr. We are now in Harlan County, Kentucky, for the sentencing hearing of 59-year-old Cletus Robbins Jr., following a 3-day trial. Robbins was convicted on a litany of shockingly violent charges. This is the pronouncement.
The defendant is guilty of 1, kidnapping and serious physical injury.
As Judge Kent Kendrickson proceeds with Robbins' extended history of a life of crime, the prosecution interjects after Robbins repeatedly turns around and glares at them.
Your Honor, the Commonwealth would request that the court give notice of the defendant not to communicate with the Commonwealth.
Note that in the courtroom, defendants are often prohibited from communicating verbally or non-verbally with anyone except their own attorneys. The problem is Robbins is not exactly the poster boy for law-abiding citizens.
Don't. Hey, now none of that. Hey, none of that. Listen, buddy, I'm too old for this.
Hey, I'm too old for this too.
He said something nasty and even exchanges words with the judge, who was having none of it.
He shall be confined to the state penitentiary for a maximum of 25 years.
The sentence might have concluded things for the court, but not for Robbins. The convict was spotted spinning one of the prosecuting attorneys. Before he is hauled out of the courtroom, Robbins makes a final threat.
You better hope
Luckily for him, no additional charges were filed against Robbins for his courtroom misconduct. His 25-year sentence stands, and a later appeal of the case was denied. Thank you for watching this video. Which of the sentence hearings would you call the wildest? Let us know what you think in the comments section below. Don't forget to smash the like button, share our video with your friends and family, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing content. See you on the next one. Until then, bye.